tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irving's French Class. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons étudier le superlatif en français. Superlative in French is similar to the comparative we studied in our previous video. After covering the structure and its use in context, we will do some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti! Superlative is used to make absolute comparisons. Absolute superiority indicates that someone or something is the fastest, the biggest, the most important, the most colorful. The French equivalent is le, la, les, plus. On the contrary, absolute inferiority indicates that someone or something is the least noisy, the least boring, the least difficult, the least tall, the least kind. The French equivalent is le, la, les, moins. Please consider these sentences in which superlatives are used. And let's try to figure out together the grammatical structure that we will then need to remember and apply. And you can repeat these sentences after me. Let's do that. Cet arbre est le plus grand. Cette voiture est la plus belle. Ces enfants sont les plus calmes de la classe. Cette ville est la plus moderne d'Europe. Les étudiants les moins sérieux sont dans ma classe. Dans ce magasin, il y a les fruits les moins chers. C'est la personne la moins intelligente du monde. Please observe the superlative expressions in red. They all start with the same kind of word, a definite article. The form varies in function of the gender of the noun they are comparing. Therefore, there are three possibilities. Le, la, les. Right next to the definite article, we find plus ou moins, followed by the adjective. And as always, adjectives need to be agreed in gender and number with the noun they qualify. The superlative of bon, bonne is le meilleur, la meilleure, les meilleurs, les meilleurs. Four different possibilities, masculine singular and plural, feminine singular and plural. For example, you can repeat these sentences after me. Let's do that. Ce restaurant est le meilleur de la ville. Restaurant is masculine, le meilleur. Ces étudiants sont les meilleurs de la classe. Ces étudiants, masculine plural, les meilleurs. Cette table est la meilleure du restaurant. Table féminine, la meilleure. Don't forget to add the E at the end of meilleur. Ces équipes sont les meilleures du championnat. Équipe féminine and plural, so you need to add an E and an S to meilleur. Ces équipes sont les meilleures du championnat. Oppositely, the superlative of mauvais, mauvaise is le, la, pire or les pires. Only one form for plural. For example, and you can repeat the sentences after me, ce restaurant est le pire de la ville. Ces étudiants sont les pires de la classe. Cette table est la pire du restaurant. Ces équipes sont les pires du championnat. As you may have noticed in the examples we have used so far, after a superlative construction, we often use the preposition de in French, where in English we use in. For example, in these sentences, le café le plus cher de la ville could be translated as the most expensive café or coffee, both are possible, in town. Les pires étudiants de la classe, the worst students in the class. In superlative construction, the position of the superlative adjective, either before or after the noun, is usually the same as the basic adjective. I'm sure you remember the Banks adjectives in French, those that are positioned before the noun, unlike the regular adjectives that are positioned after. I'll add the link of the video in the description. If you take a regular adjective, for example with this sentence, c'est une fille sympa. The adjective is sympa. It's a regular one. It's after the noun. So in a superlative construction, you have to keep the same order. So it will become c'est la fille la plus sympa de la classe. However, with Banks adjectives, you have the choice. The superlative construction can go either in front or before the noun. For example, c'est une belle fille, and belle is one of these Banks adjectives. In superlative construction, it will become c'est la plus belle fille de la classe, but you can also say c'est la fille la plus belle de la classe. Alright guys, let's do an activity to practice all these points. I'm going to give you some nouns along with some adjectives, group of comparisons, and whether you need to do a positive or negative construction with a plus or a minus. All you need to do is to make a sentence containing a superlative. And of course, don't forget to agree the adjectives appropriately. Let's start with these elements. La voiture rapide, le circuit plus. So la voiture is the noun, rapide is the adjective, le circuit is the group of comparison, and plus means that you are going to use plus, okay? Le, la, les, plus. Alright, let's start and let's make a sentence with these. C'est, or just la voiture la plus rapide, yes. So la, because voiture is feminine, la voiture la plus rapide of the circuit. Du circuit, yes, very good. Don't forget the contraction over here. You need to use de in front of the group of comparison, okay, of the circuit. So and de, le come together in du, okay. La voiture la plus rapide du circuit. Alright, next. If I give you la personne, sportif, l'école, moins. So the sentence is going to be la personne, la moins, parfait, féminine, minus, okay, la moins sportive, yes, okay, sportif turns into sportive in feminine, sportive de l'école, parfait. L'université, grand, France, plus. L'université, université is feminine. What are you going to use? Le ou la? La, that's right. L'université la plus grande. And don't forget to add the de, okay? The e, sorry, so it makes you pronounce de at the end. La plus grande de France. And you can also say de la France, okay? The article doesn't really matter here. You can say both. Le sport, passionnant, le monde, and minus. Le sport, le moins, yes, le moins passionnant. And again, you have de and le together. How are you going to say that? De le, no. Du monde. Le sport le moins passionnant du monde. Le canapé confortable, le magasin, plus. So make a sentence with these. Le canapé, le plus confortable, yes. Du magasin, that's right, contraction, yes, you've got it. Le tableau, beau, la galerie, plus. Beau, what kind of adjective is that? Banks, yes. Le tableau, le plus beau, you can say that, de la galerie. But you can also say le plus beau tableau de la galerie. You can put the adjective in front or after with a Banks adjective, okay, in superlative construction. That's fine. La pièce, petit, la maison, plus. Petit, be careful, what kind of adjective is that? Banks, that's right. Okay, let's start with in front that time. La plus petite. Yes, you use la because pièce is feminine. La plus petite pièce de la maison. Can you do the same, sending the adjective in front? La pièce la plus petite de la maison. That's right. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. Please write in the comments a superlative sentence. I will check it out, I promise. Don't forget to like this video if you feel that you have learned something valuable. And please subscribe to my channel to show your support. À la prochaine, à plus, ciao.